Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. In this video, we'll look at some of the key differences between Angular and AngularJS. Now, if you haven't watched our videos on Angular, go check them out. I'll link it in the description box below. Now, Angular and AngularJS are used interchangeably, but they're not the same. So to learn about the differences, continue watching the video. Oh, but wait. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. Now here's what we're going to be learning. First, we'll look at what exactly Angular is. Then, we'll understand what AngularJS is. Finally, we'll differentiate the two based on architecture, language, expression syntax, dependency injection, routing, and speed. So let's begin. Now, what exactly is Angular? Angular is an open source JavaScript framework written completely in TypeScript and maintained by Google. Now, Angular provides a standard structure for developers to work with. It enables users to develop large applications in a maintainable manner. So what exactly is AngularJS then? Now, AngularJS was initially developed by Misko Havery in 2009. It was built to ease the development and testing of applications. It was developed to address challenges faced in forming single-page applications. Now, although the subsequent versions of AngularJS are what are collectively called Angular, they have some differences. So let's go ahead and look at them. First up is architecture. Now, AngularJS supports a model view controller architecture. The view processes the information available in the model to generate the output. In case of Angular, it uses components and directives. Now, components are the directives with a template. Next, we have languages. Now, AngularJS was written in JavaScript, while Angular is written in TypeScript. Now, TypeScript offers features like type declarations and benefits of ES6 like iterators and lambdas. The next difference is with respect to mobile support. Now, AngularJS was not built with mobile support in mind, whereas in case of Angular, this feature is supported. Moving on is expression syntax. Now, to bind an image or a property or an event with AngularJS, you have to remember the write ng directive. In case of Angular, it focuses on the parentheses for event binding and the square brackets for property binding. Talking about dependency injection, AngularJS does not use dependency injection, while Angular implements unidirectional tree-based change detection and uses the hierarchical dependency injection system. This significantly boosts the performance of the framework. Next up is routing. Now, AngularJS uses the routeProvider.when method to configure routing, while Angular uses the routeConfig object. Lastly, we have speed. By providing features like two-way binding, AngularJS reduced the development effort and time. However, by creating more processing on the client side, page load was taking considerable time. While in case of Angular, it provides a better structure to more easily create and maintain big applications and a better change detection mechanism. Now, Angular 4 is the fastest version yet. So with that, we come to the end of this session. These were some of the key differences between Angular and AngularJS. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.